How to make almond roca. The ingredients: 230-gram butter, yung cup sugar, tablespoon water, tablespoon liquid glucose, and 1 to 2 cups crushed almonds, bar Cadbury Dairy Milk chocolate or Milky Bar. The method, step by step. Melt butter and sugar in a pot over low heat. Add water and mix. Add liquid glucose and mix. Increase heat to medium carefully until mixture turns caramel colored. Remove from heat and quickly mix in 1 cup crushed almonds. Pour mixture onto prepared foil tray and spread quickly. Melt chocolate and spread over the mixture. Top with 1 to 2 cup crushed almonds. Let cool for 4 hours or refrigerate.